Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Thiago from Brazil, and it's been a few weeks since the last time I've recorded a video for my channel. I've been in a real hurry lately. I don't have much time to do anything lately. Anyway, let's get right to the point. Well, in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about this product that I bought online. It's called Minoxidil Kirkland 5%, and as you guys already know, people use this product to to treat their hair loss or to help in hair growth on their face, more precisely on the beard. And I've seen many videos talking about this product on YouTube, and it seems to give people what they want, which is hair, you know. So take a look at this guys. I have some pictures here, and I took these pictures I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 days ago, so that you can see what my beard is like before using the Minoxidil. And as all of you can see, I have some areas around my beard where there's no hair. And by the way, my beard is full of flaws. My beard is full of flaws, which I hate. I hate that. And well, I bought this product online, like I said before, and I'll leave the link of the store in the description of the video below, so you guys can take a look for yourself. The delivery was cool. I mean, it didn't take a long time to get to my home, but you guys know that when any product coming from the adorable US get into Brazil, it may take a little while to come to your home because our post office service is literally a shit. You guys know that, don't you? So yeah, it looks like nothing in Brazil works well. Anyway, back to the product. As far as I know, the results begin to appear in, I don't know, maybe 3-4 months of use. That's what I've seen on videos on YouTube. And that means in November this year, I'm going to show you guys my results. And I'm sorry, I almost forgot. The company made a mistake. I don't know if it was a mistake, but maybe it was a gift from my first purchase. But I bought enough for 3 months of treatment, and according to the ad, it should be only 3 bottles of the product. But inside the packaging, there were 4 bottles of the product, and I forgot to mention this to the company because they sent a message to me on my WhatsApp asking about the delivery and if everything had arrived okay. And that surprised me. They sent a message for me, you know. And I'm really happy. I'm looking forward to seeing the results coming up on my face. And I'd like to recommend this store. It's called Short Store GV. SHORTSTOREGV. Okay, see you guys in 4 months. Okay.